Now that our survey kiosk content is ready and responses are being generated, let's figure out how to check the results in TilBuci. Do you remember how the answers are stored? At the beginning of the last scene, we sent the values of the variables where we store the responses to the server where TilBuci is installed via the internet as an event. When these events reach the server, they are stored, and we can check the recorded data at any time. Access the Visitors menu on the left and go to the Events tab. From here, you can export a spreadsheet in CSV format with the information. You can even apply filters, such as generating data only for a movie or a specific event based on its name. Let's export a spreadsheet with information about our kiosk. The exported spreadsheet contains the following information. First, the date and time the event was stored on the server. Second, the date and time it was generated. This may differ from the first information, since if there's difficulty sending information, the content generated in TilBuci will store the information locally and send it when it has a stable connection. The third column contains the name we gave the event, while the next four contain the name and identifier of the movie and scene. If you've changed the names for some reason, please note that the IDs remain, ensuring the information can be compared. The next column contains the visitor's email address if they've identified themselves. We didn't use this feature in our kiosk, so the column will always be blank. The penultimate column contains a session ID. This data doesn't identify the visitor, but it can be used to track a single access that generated multiple events. Finally, we have the additional information, which are the optional parameters we add when generating the event. In our case, these are the two variables where we stored the responses. The list is separated by commas. In this video, we saw how to retrieve information generated by events. In the next one, we'll export our kiosk as a PWA app for installation. There are several other ways to export movies created in TilBuci. The playlist on creating a content kiosk about the solar system presents two of them. Generating desktop programs for Windows and Linux and an Android app.